My screen is visible?
Yeah, it's visible. I can say it. Okay.
I am presenting in SEO topic. SEO means search engine optimization. It's used for technical configuration, content relevance. It's easy findable, more relevant and popular.
Pungadi, skip to that part regarding the on page and off page. Go to the on page and off page part. Okay, yeah. Present it from here.
On-page optimization refers to directly website in order to search rankings. Example, meta description and title tag.
Pungadi, wait, I'll ask you one question, okay? Did you prepare or did you just take it from Google and present it here? Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, okay. I'll ask you one question. You tell me in your own words, whether it's Tamil or English, any language, just tell me what this SEO is. What is SEO?
SEO சர்ச் இன்ஜின் ஆப்டிமைசேஷன் இது. அது எப்படின்னா நம்மளுக்கு என்ன வேணும் அப்படிங்கறத வந்து நம்ம சர்ச் பண்ணிக்கிறதுக்கு யூஸ் பண்ற ஒரு இது.
Okay.
அது வந்து கூகுள் எக்ஸாம்பிளுக்கு வந்து கூகுள் சொல்லலாம். இப்ப நம்மளுக்கு வேணுங்கிறத வந்து இப்ப டக்குன்னு நம்ம போய் ஃபைண்ட் பண்றோம் அப்படிங்கறதுக்காக நம்ம சர்ச் இன்ஜின் சொல்றோம்.
Okay. So what is search engine optimization?
சர்ச் இன்ஜின் ஆப்டிமைசேஷன் வந்து அது இப்ப வந்து நம்ம குயிக்கா ஃபைண்ட் பண்றதுக்கு அந்த மாதிரி யூஸ் ஆகுது.
Okay, so see, I'm giving you a clarification. It's not for the users. It's not for finding it quickly. For example, you have a website, okay? You have a clothes store, online website, okay?
Okay.
You'll sell clothes from those website. So whenever people go to the website, go to search engine and search for good t-shirts, then your website should be visible, okay? Because most of the people, they'll only click links which are in the first link or first page or second page. They'll not go to third page, fourth page. I'll not go. I mean, mostly a lot of people won't go. Okay. So what they have to do is they have to find out what is it to be included in the website to make it appear in the first page. So all the optimization is nothing but making changes, making modifications, or doing additions, or removing some content. So whatever you do on a page, that is to make it visible in the first page. Not it's not related to user, it's related to the businesses or the websites. Okay. So the websites have to make some changes in order to appear in the first page of Google. Okay, wow. For example, if you search for a movie name, what will you see in Google? First links, you'll see about the movie. You'll see a Wikipedia page, and then you will see the bookings. Like some apps. What do we have for online ticket booking? I think it's Book My Show, right? So Book My Show kind of apps, they'll also appear in the Google. So what is it that they have done to make it appear in the first page? That's what we call Pungadi. Did you leave the meeting? I think she got dropped off. Okay, so for everyone, I'm telling you again. So it's related to business. It's not related to the user. It's not about how easily you can find something. It's about how easily your users can find your website. Okay. So that's the clarification I'm giving it here. Let Pungodi come back. In the meanwhile, I'll call upon Deepa. Hi, Deepa.
Hi, ma'am.
Ready with your presentation with full confidence?
Ma'am, in English?
Hello?
Ma'am?
Yeah, in English. You can use any English, Deepa. It's okay. I mean, I can understand your English, okay? It's okay if it is broken English too. I just want to, finish the presentation. Are you ready with it?
Ma'am, last பண்ணிடுறேங்க ma'am. Task போயிட்டு இருக்கேன். Last கண்டிப்பா பண்ணிடுறேன் ma'am.
No. See, there is no last thing, because if I give you a chance in the last minute, no, then everybody will say, I'll go last, I'll go last. So, Deepa, you should be presenting it now.
Ma'am, urgent
I'm
task
really
wait.
sorry.
Urgent task wait இருக்கீங்களே.
Then why did you join the session, by the way?
Ma'am, phoneல join பண்ணிட்டேன்.
Okay, and you are doing the task on laptop and you're attending the meeting on phone,
Yes,
is it?
ma'am.
Deepa, see, if you do that, then you will not have the focus. I suggest you to either do the task or attend the captain session. Don't tell me like I'm doing another task, no, I can't present and all. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
it's
Sorry,
just
ma'am.
like talking. So it will take only 2 minutes, Deepa. It will not destroy your entire task. So please present it, please. Okay, it will only take like 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay, ma'am. Just a minute, ma'am.
Okay. So Pongadi, I know you got dropped off. I'll come back to you. Okay, just wait for it.
கரண்ட் பவர் இஷ்யூ சடவுன் ஆயிருச்சு, வந்ததும் ப்ரெசென்ட் பண்றேன்.
Okay. No issues. No. I'll ask you questions as I have already seen your presentation. No, I'll ask you like 2 or 3 questions.
ஓகே.
Okay, let's finish yours then. So, Pongri, what did you understand by on-page and off-page SEO?
ஆன்-பேஜ் எஸ்இஓ அப்படிங்கிறது இப்போ நம்ம வெப்சைட்டுக்குள்ள போய் நம்ம சர்ச் பண்றப்ப டாபிக்ஸ் டைட்டில்ஸ் வருது, டைட்டில் டேக்ஸ்ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, டைட்டில் வருதுல்ல,
Okay.
அது ஆன்-பேஜ் ஆப்டிமைசேஷன்.
Okay.
ஆஃப் பேஜ் அப்படிங்கிறது நம்ம அவுட் சைட்ல போய் அதுக்கான சர்ச்சுக்கான ரேங்கிங் எல்லாம் இருக்கும். வேற வெப்சைட் மேபி அவுட் சைட்ல தேடுற சர்ச் பண்றதுக்கு பேரு ஆஃப் பேஜ் ஆப்டிமைசேஷன்.
No, wait. I'll give you clarification for that one as well. Pongri, I think you have to, through the topic one more time. So, on-page is nothing but whatever you do on the website, whatever you do on a particular page, whatever additions, modification, changes, anything you do on a particular page, whether it is related to title tags, whether it is related to image or alt tags or tracking codes, anything you do on the website, okay? Or in the website. So everything will be on page SEO. Okay. Whatever you do outside that particular website, it's not related to competitors. But if you see, for example, you have a website, okay, you are selling some clothes, as I have told before. Okay. So how do you let people know? One way you can do some changes in the website and then you can make it rank, you can present it well. That is fine. The other thing will be the promotions, social media promotions. So you'll go to social media channels and then you'll promote it over there, right? That is also off-page SEO. You'll also give some ads in the magazines, okay? So I mean e-magazines. It's not the physical ones, it's virtual ones. So you'll do some ads on the pages. So everything will come as off-page only. Okay? Whatever you do to put a particular website in the top of search engine results page is called SEO. And if you do it on the page, it's on-page SEO. If you do it outside the website, then it's off-page SEO. Okay? It's so simple. You have to go through the topic one more time, Pongadi. It's, I understand you got the topic of SEO and stuff, but you have to be more detailed. Okay? You have to understand what are these title tags. Go to YouTube. There will be a lot of videos. You see all these SEO techniques. I think I'm telling it to everybody. Okay. So if you take all the on-page SEO topics, so the first on-page SEO part, the technique will be the heading tags or head tags. So you take that particular word, go in Google or go to YouTube, and search for that word. You'll see a lot of videos, lot of explanation for everything. Okay. So you'll understand that. So there is a lot of topics inside this heading tag as well. So you have to understand what is H1 tag, H2, H3, and how do we use this. So how do we put the hierarchy for this headings? So there will be a lot of videos. It's, you have to understand that, because this will make you, understand the topics easier for 301 and 201 as well. Okay.
Okay.
So Pongadi, I request you to go through the topics again. For now, I will give you marks for your presentation and all, but you have to do more practice.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Okay. So I think Deepa is ready here. Deepa?
Yes,
Hi,
ma'am.
Deepa. Okay, share your screen.
Yes, ma'am.
So the next person also I'll announce. So Ranganaiki, you'll be the next one to present.
Hi, my presentation is about SEO. SEO means search engine optimization, but actual definition is to increase the quality and quantity of traffic of our website. Many people told in Google search what is SEO. Uh, uh, oh, why we do SEO for what? This is not advertising. This is it is not payable. So people are come to our website for in free. So this is long-term activity. This is helpful for long-term. This is long-term activity, not short-term advertising. Next benefit is because of SEO, high coming people are high quality. High quality people.
Deepa, yeah, that
SEO
is correct. Don't worry, you're doing well. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. SEO helps you in building a plan and high credibility. It gives confidence for us. We are great in this field. These two type of SEOs. One is on-page SEO, another one is off-page SEO. What we do in on-page SEO. First, I explain what we do in on-page SEO. We correct on-page websites visibility.
Go to the next slide, Deepa. Go
Okay,
to the next slide and explain from there.
Okay, ma'am. On-page SEO. First one is title tags. Title tags present in Google search, visible in Google search. This is the page's title. We use meta tags. Meta description, where we use meta description. Google in meta description we use keywords. In headlines is very important in on-page SEO. We use targeted keywords in paragraphs.
Okay, Deepa, I'll ask you one question here.
Okay.
So where do you find the meta description? Can you please go to Google and tell me what is the meta description?
Ma'am, these two lines.
What two lines?
Ma'am, these.
Can you please highlight it and show me? Because I'm little confused. No, actually not those two lines. You see the first line, no? Okay, go back to the Google page. Okay, so if you see the first line, the line about so that's called
This is
URL.
line.
No, the above,
This
the
is
above.
URL.
Yes, that is URL.
Yes,
And this one is title of the page. The next one, the next line, the okay is
Yes.
description. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So once you do the so there will be another concept. So or so if we have some schema markup in the website, then this is how we'll see. So if after that meta description, you are seeing different titles, right? Lenovo laptops, PC and tablets, winter deals. So these are the other pages. Okay. So once we do the markup, once Google comes and visit to your website, Google will find out what are the best pages, based on the number of people coming to the page. So based on that, Google will show the extra pages here. Okay. So this can be possible only when we use the, the what we call schema markup. Okay.
Okay.
So this will not be, see, if you scroll down a little bit, scroll down more. Yeah, even more. Scroll down. So see here, there is only one what do we call sub page that is appearing here in Google, right? So Lenovo US laptops is the first page, and below that the sub page Lenovo support. Only one page is showing, right?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
you have to understand. Okay, so this page is what Google is marking up for the extra traffic, for the good traffic. Okay, if you have good traffic. So this is not in our hands. Okay, we only can do the markup, and Google will decide what pages to show here. Search for QA and cloud. I'll tell you the name. QA ON QA on cloud. On cloud. Yeah. Second one, you see that. Software company Chennai. Yeah. So if you see, we have different markup here. See, careers page is coming up under that page. Company, software testing, QA testing services. You see that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So this will be done only when we include the schema markup. Okay. For Desicrew also you can observe that. So what I'm trying to tell is we have to understand the structure of how the search results are coming in the Google. Okay. Only if we understand the structure, we can do something about it. So first line will be URL. Second line will be page title. Third line will be the third paragraph will be the meta description. Okay. Now go back to your presentation. So if you see here, title tags is nothing but the titles, the headings in the page. Okay, so that one you understood, right? So headline is nothing but the title of the page. Actually, it's not headline; it's title of the page. Okay, and then rich content. This is not necessary for you because Google has removed that rich content from its search, what do we call it, algorithm. Yeah, so it has removed it. We cannot see rich content anymore. So no matter what you give there, it will not get ranked now. So you can remove that rich content. So meta tags is nothing but the extra keywords, the other keywords, the secondary keywords, whatever keywords you include in the page, those are called meta tags. And then meta description. You understood that part, right? You know where to find it now. I have shown you in Google, right?
Yes,
So that small paragraph is called meta description. And the paragraphs is nothing but once you go to the page, you will see different kinds of paragraphs, right? Yeah, click on any link. Yeah. So paragraph is nothing but content. Scroll down. Oh, this is a product page. Okay, leave Lenovo and go to Desicrew page. Or QAnon. Yeah, open QAnon page. You will see different kinds of paragraphs, icons. So the first one is heading. So get your app tested by remote flexible, blah, blah, blah. So that is called heading. The second line is the paragraph. Okay. And then, so in the website, we also have to understand how to place these paragraphs and where to place this. Okay. That's also another thing. So these are 4 different paragraphs. We have arranged them in an infographic format. Okay. So that's what I'm talking about. So Google will understand everything. Whatever changes you make in these paragraphs will also be affecting your ranking in the Google. Okay, so these are all on-page SEO parts. So the title, as I have mentioned, title will also be in the same website. URL you can see in the address bar. Links, the other links you can see here. So whatever you do on the page on in the website is called on-page SEO. That will get reflected in the Google page. I think I'm clear with it, right? I have made it clear, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Go back to your presentation. Go to the off-page factors or off-page SEO factors. Okay. I'll ask one thing here. Okay. What is this link anchor or anchor text? There's another word for it. Anchor text. So what is this link anchor or anchor text or actually this is also on page part. It's not in the off page. So Deepa, try to understand the topic too. So link anchor or anchor text will also be in the on page only. It's not off page concept.
Okay.
So contextual links. So this and all is a part of backlinking process. It's completely see homepage link, diversity of links, blah blah blah. So different types of links you put on other website is called backlinking. So these are all the topics of backlinking only. Okay. So off-page factors will be off-page SEO things will be social media marketing. That will be one thing, and email marketing. That is also another thing. Backlinking process and then guest blogging, and then article publishing, which is in the magazines, e-magazines, our articles will also get published, and then events. So there will be a lot of off-page things. Okay, so these are all off-page. The ones you have mentioned here are not off-page. Okay, do the research again and try to prepare well, Deepa.
Okay, ma'am.
Maybe next time I'll definitely remember your name because
Okay.
from the past two calls now I'm calling you only a lot of times. So Deepa, in the next call I'll ask you a lot of questions on page and off page too. So you
Okay.
have to be able to answer them.
Okay.
For now I'm giving the answers to this presentation, but in the future I'll definitely ask you more questions. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, Deepa, thanks.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, next I'll call Suhashish. You can finish it fast, I guess. I think, did you finish? I don't think so, right?
Almost more than half is finished, ma'am.
Okay. So Suhashish, you can finish it off.
Let me present my screen.
Okay. So who will go next? I said some other name. What is that name? Ranganaiki, right? Okay. So next is Ranganaiki.
Can you see my screen now, ma'am?
Yeah, I can see it now.
Now, you have finished these two on the last session.
Yeah.
Then these are like on page. Give me a moment. Yeah.
Okay. Go back to the previous slide.
Previous one, ma'am. This one.
The one before it. Yeah, you can explain it from here only. I don't have to go through the entire content. I'll just look at these things.
Okay.
So what do you mean by? I think I have asked you a question on this.
Yes.
What do you mean by optimizing page content?
Suppose you are changing some keywords or according to your products or the services that you are displaying on the web page. So you have to keep on changing the keywords and the things that you write on your web page. You have to keep on changing those things according to the traffic that is generated, according to the demand that is getting generated on the website or the product it's the map of the website, the internal links. It will take you to in that page wherever you are, whatever you are looking for. If you click on that link, it will open that particular link on that web page.
Okay.
This is
External
internal link, and external link is that will take you to some other website.
Right. Okay. Okay. I got it. So you understood the concept there. Okay. Go to Off-Page SEO techniques.
Yes. Give me a moment.
Okay.
Yes. Here.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Over here, ma'am, forum posting is something which we all know. There are forums, like if you go to Microsoft web page or maybe QA on Cloud web page, there is a forum where
Mhm.
people ask questions and the related authority keep on answering them. And it is open for everyone. Everyone can see those and they can put on their remarks. They can ask further questions on that particular topic. This is what forum is.
Okay.
Like a
Wait,
platform.
Suhashish, I'll tell you one point. Add one more point here. Directory submission. Add one more point here. In the off-page SEO techniques. Directory, DIRECTORY, submission. Yeah, directory submission. So that is also another part. So these are exactly what I was looking for. So these are the techniques officially. So guys, so Hashish, you can share this PPT with everybody actually, because it's good content and the point, no, it's to the point. There is another point, I'll add it here. So add email marketing as well.
Yes, email marketing.
Forum posting, local listings, correct content, guest post or guest blog. Mention guest blogging. Yeah, blogging, guest blogging. Forum posting is correct. Local listings, directory submission, email marketing, social media marketing, backlinks. The major techniques. There are others too, but this is enough for now. Okay. So, guys, if you remember our previous classes, 101, so know where you are seeing 101, right? So 101 is also a part of SEO. If you see here, the second point here, off-page SEO techniques is social media marketing, which we have learned in the 101. Okay. Now we understood the link, right? So why we are learning social media marketing? So this is why we are learning. It's also a part of off-page SEO topic. So Suhashish, it's very presentation and good information. Actually, it's to the point and it's good. So you can actually share this PPT with everybody. Maybe they'll take a look into it. The techniques are correct. This is what I was looking for from the first PPT. Okay, wow. So Suhashish, Sandhya, you can also even you can this PPT with everybody. Maybe put it in the group, the link of the PPT or something. Okay. Nice, Suhashish. Okay, I'll ask you one more question. Okay, I'll ask you the question from the points that I have added now. So what do you mean by directory submission?
Yes, this is
Any guess? Just guess it, I know. But still guess it.
Like updating something on the web page. But that
No, actually. So directory is nothing but Glassdoor, right? How many of you know Glassdoor? Just raise your hand. Glassdoor, LinkedIn,
no idea.
or maybe Zoom info. Nobody? Yelp, Yellow Pages.
Yes, I know Yellow Pages, ma'am.
Nice. So how many of you know? Only Suhashish know. Nobody knows, huh? Okay.
It's like a book where you can advertise your business.
Right.
It's a book which is alphabetically arranged, and it was in use before computers came into play.
No, actually it's currently a lot of people will go to the directories only. Mostly they'll go to directories only. So you remember, right? We used to have this telephone directory. I don't know about you guys. Those who are born in 2000 might not have seen it, but those who are born before 2000 will definitely see a telephone directory in their home.
Yes,
So you'll have all the phone numbers there, you'll have all the people's names in the village, you'll get everything in that particular book. Okay, directory is something related to that. So if you take, okay, what other things are there, the commonly used directory? Okay, how many of Agoda or any other travel websites? Make My Trip.
Make my trip, yes, I use Make My Trip, ma'am.
Yeah, so that is also one type of submission, directory submission, where we'll put only the travelers, travel these numbers, the hotel booking numbers, blah blah blah. So everything related to hotels will be there. Okay. Similarly, for software industry, we have Yelp, we have Yellow Pages, we have Info, we have a lot of tools, like we have Pipedrive, we have LinkedIn too. LinkedIn is also one kind of directory submission, but it's mostly kind of social media part. Okay.
Then, job seeking
Yeah,
websites
job
like
searching websites too. Correct. So those are also directories. Okay. So if your company is software industry, then you will put your company's name in a software industry related directory. Okay. So that's all. That's what we call directory submission. So you have to find all possible websites that will, list out the names of software testing companies, or transcription companies, the companies which are performing AI related things. So these will be there in the website. So that's what we call directory submission. It's like just going there and signing up and filling up all the company details. Avalota. Email marketing, what do you mean by email marketing, Suhashish?
marketing is like receive email marketing marketing emails. Like suppose you have an account with maybe HDFC Bank, they keep on sending their products time to time through email to you.
Okay.
Or you
Guys,
have
just give me 1 minute. I'll come back just 1 minute. Okay. Meanwhile, Suhashish, you can tell your friends, what are the software SEO techniques. You can explain. Okay? I'll just come back in 1 minute. I'll have to bring some water. Okay.
So hi guys, social media marketing. We all know we are in social media marketing right now. Guest blogging is when you invite some guests to your website and they do some blogging for you on your website. Forum postings, we have already discussed forum postings. Local listings is like you have to make your product or service, your web page listed in the local directory, so that when people near you search for your kind of product or service, they can easily find your web page. Directory submission, ma'am has discussed this, and email marketing is something which we receive a lot of marketing emails. Like when we visit a website, we give our email to them, like for registration or other things. They always ask if we want to receive a brochure or product leaflets from them. If we click yes on that, we get email, their products through email. They send us emails. So this is what email marketing is.